Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are Seon-na and Won-hyuk Choi from Apart team. This is table of contents of the presentation. Before we start presentation, I have a question. Have you heard fast fashion? Fast fashion means making clothes quickly to follow latest trend and selling them fast. The UNDP stated on their YouTube channel, people are buying more clothes 50 years later compared to the early 21st century. But the duration for which they kept these clothes has become 60% shorter than it was in the early 21st century. The fast fashion industry faces the problem of landfilling and burning unsold clothes, which lead to environmental problems. And the UN claimed that making clothes causes 10% worth of carbon emissions. So fast fashion creates many environmental problems. For this reason, we want to talk about how fashion company can achieve sustainability in response to fast fashion. First, there is a way to upcycle clothing waste. Upcycling means taking something that is thrown away and make it into a new product to give it more value. Do you see this wallet? This wallet is from a brand called Freitag, and it is made from old truck tarp tent and used seat belt through upcycling. An example of upcycling in fashion is Return to Care campaign by the brand Fila. In this campaign, Fila store in Korea collected clothes that customers and employees no longer wear. Instead of burning this crate, they upcycled them into desks. Fila stated this campaign helped reduce greenhouse gas by about 4.1 ton. To make sure this effort continues, they also put collection boxes in their store so people can keep donating clothes.
Second, fashion companies can achieve environmental sustainability through eco-friendly materials. The most widely used materials for clothing, cotton, significantly harms the environment during its production process. Indiscriminate cotton cultivation can result in deforestation. According to UNECE, about 3% of the world's arable land was cotton field as of 2018. And it also requires a significant amount of water, about 20,000 liters of water to grow 1 kilogram of cotton. To address this environmental damage caused by cotton cultivation, fashion companies can choose the organic cotton. Organic cotton is cultivated using the natural manure on soil that untreated with chemical fertilizers for over than 3 years. And this approach can minimize the use of water consumptions and harmful chemicals while still providing the sustainable source for clothing materials. In addition, biodegradable polymer fibers which decompose naturally in a short period, suggest the good alternative to traditional polymer fibers, which takes long centuries to break down. Moreover, using biofuels such as mushrooms and pineapples, biofuels derived from mushrooms and pineapples can, instead of animal-based fibers, is useful approach. Traditional leather production emits large amounts of greenhouse gases and requires a significant amount of water and chemicals for processing. In contrast, biofuels are eco-friendly as they do not produce pollutants during manufacturing and they can be biodegraded easily and composted after use. As an example of a fashion using biofuels, a luxury brand Hermes has released a bag made from mushroom leathers. Third, streamlining energy use in the clothing production is also crucial for achieving the sustainability. Fashion companies can lessen the reliance on fossil fuels by installing solar panels and introducing wind turbines in their clothing factories. As an example, H&M topped the fossil-free fashion ranking by providing subsidies for the subsidies for installation of the solar panels in its factories. Lastly, introducing technologies to reduce water consumption is also an efficient way to reduce the carbon. Levi's present good example of this. While a typical pair of jeans requires 7,000 liters of water for its finishing process, but the Levi's waterless collection has lessened this by up to 96%. In summary, fashion companies can achieve environmental sustainability by recycling, using eco-friendly materials, and streamlining energy and resource usage. Although these efforts would require initial investment, but it will bring the long-term benefits such as enhanced consumer trust and enhanced brand values. In this era, when the fast fashion threatens the environment, we hope that many companies will engage in these meaningful efforts to create a sustainable future together. And these are the references we use for our presentation. Thank you for listening.